Hi everybody, this is Bonnie Barker with Bonnie Bay Crochet, and I want to invite you to join me at the 2025 Pittsburgh Creative Arts Festival. That's going to be held August 22nd through the 24th. That's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And this is one of my favorite festivals to join, to be a part of, to teach at. It's a wonderful experience, and I love the people here very much. Let me tell you some of the classes that I'm going to be teaching. And although this is just a few of the classes that are going to be there, there are going to be many classes. There are going to be knitting classes, crochet classes, quilting classes, and a whole lot more that I can't even say in such a short video. But I'm going to be teaching a class called Celtic Weave and Beyond. So if that stitch has baffled you and you want to get a better grip on it, that's the class for you. That will be Friday morning on the 22nd. And then I'm going to be teaching in the afternoon how to make a crochet technology wristband, which also doubles as a watch band for your watch. I can't wait to do that with you all. It's going to be a fun, revolutionary class. I'm also going to be teaching multiple ways to crochet ribbing, and that will be Saturday morning. I also have a class called Transforming Denim with Crochet, and that's Saturday afternoon, and you don't even have to be a crocheter or a knitter or even a crafter to join that class. There's a little bit of homework involved and some things you need to gather, but I think that's going to be a really fun class as well. Also, Saturday evening, I'm going to be joining up with my crochet designer buddy, Jennifer Ryan of Celtic Knot Crochet, and we're going to be having a live from Pittsburgh. It's Saturday night. It's going to be lots of fun, singing parody songs. We're going to have some games, and we're definitely going to have some prizes for those attending. It's one of these events where you just wear your favorite crochet or knit garment and just have fun enjoying being around other people of a like mind. There are going to be many vendors there selling beautiful yarn and all sorts of notions in the marketplace. It's very large, and the good part about it is most of it, really 95% of it, is indoors in very comfortable air conditioning, so you don't have to be out walking in a more adventurous setting. One more time, August 22nd through the 25th, sign up is now active for the classes. There is limited space for each of these classes, so if there's something you really want to do, please consider signing up as soon as possible. Hope to see you in Pittsburgh. And again, check the video description below for any additional information you might need. God bless. Bye-bye.